Japanese firms control 90% of a chemical critical to the semiconductor industry, photoresist. This strategic market is dominated by companies like JSR and Tokyo Ohka Kogyo, or TOK. Photoresist is the light-sensitive medium onto which every chip design is written. While DUV and EUV machines are the pen, photoresist is the paper that enables photolithography. Photoresists work in two opposing ways. The exposed area either dissolves in the positive tone, which is preferred in modern fabs, or hardens in the negative tone. The concept of a resist dates back to the world's first photograph in the 1820s. William Shockley later applied this photographic principle in the 1950s to pattern silicon. Kodak developed the first industry workhorses by mastering chemical cross-linking. Their Kodak thin film resist, or KTFR, became the industry standard for 15 years. Japan entered the market when Tokyo Ohka Kogyo repurposed a chemical rejected by RCA. In 1968, TOK successfully applied it to semiconductors with their OMR81 photoresist. The 2-micron node in 1972 made Kodak's resist obsolete. This opened the door for a superior German technology called DNQ Novolac, which dominated for 25 years. Medium-sized Japanese firms like JSR and TOK outmaneuvered U.S. giants by serving niche microelectronics markets and collaborating closely with Japanese chipmakers. The shift to deep UV light required a 100 times leap in photon efficiency, leading IBM to invent chemically amplified resists in the early 1980s. A single photon triggers a reaction, amplifying the effect. JSR partnered with IBM on advanced resists, transforming itself from a domestic supplier into a global leader. By 2003, 70% of JSR's revenues came from overseas. Japanese dominance is sustained by deep customer integration, tolerance for low profits, and an obsession with purity. Once a resist is in high-volume production, changing it is extremely risky. In 2019, Japan's monopoly became a geopolitical tool in a trade dispute with South Korea, when Japan placed export controls on 3 critical chemicals, including EUV photoresist. Despite its strategic importance, the global photoresist market is small, only about $1.3 billion in 2019, which is less than Japan's ramen noodle market. In 2023, the Japanese government took the unprecedented step of buying JSR for $6.4 billion to protect it from foreign acquisition, shielding this semiconductor stronghold.